how to buy crypto on Webull. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Webull. Now first you can open up your Webull wallet, and there you want to sign into your account. Now first things first, what you want to do is now you can search for particular crypto that you wish to trade or that you wish to buy. Now to do so, first at the top you'll find the search bar on the homepage. You can tap on it and you can search in for particular crypto. Suppose Bitcoin, you can type in BTC, and there you can see Bitcoin, or you can simply type in Bitcoin as well. So if you type it there, it'll pop up there and you can tap on it, and you can tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen there that you'll see, and add it to your portfolio list. Now there under your wish list you'll be able to see at the home page. Now simply what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular crypto that you wish to buy, and at the bottom you'll find a big trade icon. In my case, the trading option is unavailable in my region, so I'm not getting it here. However, if it's available on your region, then you'll get it there. First, if you tap on trade, it'll ask you to enable the trading option. You want to go ahead through certain disclosures that it'll go through. It'll take you through agreements there. You want to read it out and you want to agree to it. Once you agree to it, it'll take one full business day to confirm your application once you have applied it, and then you'll be able to go ahead and simply tap on trade and then tap on buy, and you'll be able to buy it. So this way you can buy crypto on Webull. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issue.